What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a single-family residence on the north side of Akron, just waiting for my partner to get here to see if this is going to be another acquisition of ours. Just wanted to kind of leave a quick tip for you aspiring homeowners or investors in the area. A lot of times, if you're going to be getting traditional financing from a bank, using FHA, VA, conventional home loan, you gotta make sure you know what the guidelines are for lending you that money. And one of the guidelines that I want to talk about is an appraisal on the property. Now, basically what an appraiser is a person that comes out and gives an expert opinion as to the value of the property in which you're trying to buy. So basically, the appraiser, they study the properties that have actually sold that are comparable to yours in regards to condition, bedrooms, bathrooms, style of the home, etc. And the homes that have actually sold would have sold within the last 6 months. So before you make an offer, make sure you are informed as to what the market value is of that property. And the way you find the market value is by seeing what homes are actually selling for. So if you have any questions in regards to market value, if you're thinking about buying or selling a house, give us a call. I can definitely provide you with any free information you might have regarding to the market. You can reach me at 330-685-2220 or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.